Good morning, students. In last class, we have done about the ideal gas equation PV equal nRT. So from that equation, you can do some numerical. So today we'll do some numerical. Question number 1: What will be the pressure? What will be the pressure exerted by a mixer of 3.2 gram methane, 3.2 gram methane and 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide contained in a 9 decimeter cube flask at 27 degrees Celsius. So you have to determine the pressure which is exerted by a mixture of methane gas and carbon dioxide gas. The amount of methane gas and carbon dioxide gas is given and the volume is given 9 decimeter cube, 9 liter, and temperature is also given. So by using ideal gas equation, you can find out the total pressure exerted by the mixer. But before that, you have to find out, as you know, ideal gas equation is PV equal nRT. So N means number of moles. First time you have to determine the number of moles of the gases. After that, you can put in your ideal gas equation. So to do this numerical, first time you have to do number of moles of methane, which is represented by NCH4, number of moles of methane. As you know, to determine number of mole, the formula is given mass by molar mass. Its given mass is given 3.2 gram and its molar mass is 12 plus 4, 16 gram per mole. So ultimately you will get 0.2 mole. Gram cancel, unit turns to mole. Similarly, you determine number of moles of carbon dioxide, which is represented by NCO2, number of moles of carbon dioxide. Given mass of carbon dioxide is 4.4 and molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44. This is gram per mole, molar mass unit. Ultimately you will get 0.1 mole. So therefore, total number of moles of the mixture, is equal 0.2 plus 0.1, you will get 0.3 mole. Now, as you know, PV is equal nRT. So P is equal pressure if you want to determine nRT divided by V. N means number of moles. You have to take the mixer number of moles, 0.3 mole. Volume is given 9 decimeter cube, 9 liter. And since the volume is given in liter, so the R value you have to use that liter containing value, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. And temperature is given 27 degrees Celsius. Since the temperature is given in Kelvin here, in R value, so that's why the degree Celsius you have to convert in Kelvin, you will get 300 Kelvin. So now you see the unit, this liter will be cancelled, mole per mole will be cancelled, Kelvin inverse will be cancelled, ultimately you will get atmosphere. So the equation becomes 0.3 into 0.0821 into 300 divided by 9, the unit goes to atmosphere, and atmosphere is the unit of pressure. So when you calculate it, you will get 0.821 atmosphere. So first you have to determine the number of moles of the mixer. After determining number of moles of the mixer, you can put the value of number of moles in your ideal gas equation, and by using the ideal gas equation you can find out the total pressure exerted by the mixer. Another question: The question is calculate the temperature. Calculate the temperature of 4.0 mole of a gas occupy 5 decimeter cube 5 decimeter cube at 3.32 bar. Bar is the unit of pressure. So this question also you can do by applying the ideal gas equation PV equal nRT. You have to determine temperature. So to do this, as you know, PV is equal nRT, therefore T is equal, temperature is equal, you can write PV divided by nR. Here pressure is given 3.32 bar, 3.32 bar, volume is given 5 dm cube, I mean 5 liter. Since volume is in liter, pressure is in bar, so when you put the value of R, then liter bar unit value you have to use. Number of moles it is given in your equation 4.0 mole, and R value you have to use 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. Why I am using this value? Since the pressure unit is given in bar, that's why I using the unit bar for the values of R, so that you can cancel bar and bar. Liter will be cancelled, mole per mole will be cancelled, so here Kelvin inverse remains, so the unit turns to Kelvin. Ultimately you will get 3.32 into 5 divided by 4 into 0.083, this much Kelvin. After calculation of this you will get 50 Kelvin. So like this way you can find out the temperature also. Another question by using ideal gas equation, 34.45 ml of milliliter of phosphorus vapor I mean phosphorus gas, weight 0.0625 gram, 0.0625 gram at 546 degrees Celsius, 546 degrees Celsius, and and 0.1 bar pressure. Pressure is given in bar. What is the molar mass of the gas? What is the molar mass of the gas? If you want to do this question, you have to find out molar mass. To find out molar mass, as you know, PV is equal nRT, or you can write PV is equal N means number of moles given mass by molar mass, W by M RT, or you can write M is equal molar mass is equal W RT divided by PV. So when you put the value, W is given, given mass 0.0625 gram, pressure is given 0.1 bar, volume is given in milliliter 34.45, so you have to convert in liter. When you convert in liter, it goes to 0.03445 liter, by dividing by 1000. So since the pressure is given in bar, that's why the R value you have to use 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin, and temperature is given 546 degrees Celsius. So 546 plus 273, you will get 819 Kelvin. Temperature you have to convert in Kelvin because R value is given in Kelvin. So Kelvin inverse cancel, liter cancel, bar cancel, the unit remain gram per mole. So 0.0625 into 0.083 into 890 divided by 0.1 into 0.03445 unit goes to gram per mole, and which is the unit of molar mass. After calculation you will get 125 gram per mole. Actually phosphorus always exists as P4. Since the phosphorus mass is 31 into 4, 124, this type of molar mass you should get for phosphorus. So here approximately you have got 124. So these are the questions which you can do by applying the ideal gas equation. PV is equal nRT.